So in this video we will be booting macOS Catalina through the VirtualBox, and before making any delay, let's just jump into the settings. So inside the system I have given a 4 GB of RAM and 2 processors and a video memory of 128 MB, and then the storage, which is the VMDK file of 101 gig, and then the share folder, which is not working yet. Also, now start the machine. It will take a considerable amount of time because I've just given 2 processors and 4 GB of RAM to this machine. So let's just wait and see. Okay, so we are on the boot. Apple me just type the password quickly. Okay, so as you can see, it's some lagging. So first of all, let's head to the about this Mac section, and so we'll be able to see what we have configured by VirtualBox. So now let's just open the system preference. Well, I was able to log into the system using my Apple ID, and everything went smooth. So you can see all these settings, and I have got my Apple account and some stuff here, and users and groups. Let's just jump into the user group. So here's my user. Just close it, and we can just jump into the terminal and just am I working fine somehow, and open the Catalina drive, and inside we have got some directories. Oh, so one more thing, there you can't drag the window, as you can see here. I think this is some sort of a quirk in VirtualBox, and I believe that this also happens in VMware. So I don't know much. This is the first time I'm using, maybe the second or third time I'm using the Mac OS X through VirtualBox. Well, before that we can also check the Safari and check whether the internet is working or not. Okay, so yeah, I'm not connected to the internet. Let's just turn on the internet and wait for the signals. Also, let's just refresh, hit the refresh, and I believe it takes some time to get yourself connected. So test again. So I think I will have to restart the VirtualBox to make it work. One more thing I want to show you, which is that inside the system, the acceleration, I have set paravirtualization first to minimal because I read somewhere that it's best for macOS X. Okay, so we will be quick and open Safari to test the internet. But okay, so type Google, and we are still not connected to the internet. It's currently offline. So I believe that I forgot to set the internet connection. Also, it says the Ethernet is not connected, but it was working before. Whatever, the video is getting too long, and I'm 100% sure that it was working before and something have gone wrong.